Welcome back to another video, guys. It's Mom Jobs 3 today. You'll see what they are. I'll list them at the beginning and I'll give you a quick rundown before each build. Not a quick video today. You saw the length, so I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe if you feel like you want to, if you enjoyed the content. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so today, replacing this door handle. Locks fine, but take it closed. But very easy to open. So we got a new one. Not sponsored, but that's the brand of the door. So replacing that today. Next up, we have a garbage disposal. Here's a quick shot of everything you're gonna need. It just tells you the physical garbage disposal. All the wires. I believe it's just the wires that I just pulled off of the old garbage disposal. So if you're replacing one, feel free to use the old one. If not, you're gonna have to buy them separately. I'm not sure how much they'll cost, but it's just a couple wires going to an outlet, and tool-wise, all you need is 2 screwdrivers and a light. So, and plumber's putty. Definitely need plumber's putty. after that roller got sent to the shadow realm, we're just attaching the backsplash that you saw me pull off with adhesive caulk. Just lather it on there. I try and show it with my hands, but then I cover it up for the entire, video. Don't hit the wall and drag down, because then you'll have the caulk all over your wall above the backsplash. Just set it on the counter and push it against the wall. Today we are also installing a faceplate and quarter round. Two separate places, but all the same. So quarter round, this is the foam type. There's foam or wood. Cat not included in the job. All you're doing, measure the distance, doorway to whatever you're butting up against. Cut it to length. I use a handsaw just because I find it leaves a cleaner edge. You don't have to clean it up with a sander or anything. And then we're just going to use a nail gun. This is actual hardwood, so it's like 1/2 inch thick. So I'm going to use 2.5 inch nails because I want to make sure it actually hits subfloor, so that little menace doesn't, slowly pull it off the wall. Yeah, this one. Here you'll see we're getting into angles, so I have to match, or try my best to match that. So, yes, I'm cutting this on top of the washer. This is what I believe is called a miter box. So this twists, clamps your piece in, and then you just put your saw and follow this angle to get your angle, and then you just cut to length. So I'm gonna cut that and then show you how it fits. So there you'll see, it fits pretty snug. Got all this extra, so I'll just come in here. Sorry, recording and doing this little hand. Push it flush in the corner, and then just put a little line. Boom, just like that. Snaps right in. And just nail. That's it. Yeah, you see those big ugly holes? Yeah, we're gonna get rid of those. So I'm going to crudely grab some really old, probably expired spackle. That's what I got right now. And crudely grab it with my finger. This one just has 2 holes because it's a reused piece. I'm just going to smear it on with my finger. And it's a little off color now, but when it dries, it'll dry white. So just on your finger, big blob, and then just sweep it off with your other finger. Not the greatest cameraman right now. Dealing with a dog that does not like air, what's it called? Compressors. So yeah, any of that smear, just grab another finger that's clean and just wipe it off. It'll look much better than the actual holes. You're probably wondering, because I said phaser board. I'm gonna show you what I mean. It is I don't have it right now, but I want to post this video today. But I'm gonna buy it tomorrow. Get the glare off my lenses. Yeah, I'm gonna buy the phaser board tomorrow, but I want to post this today. So I'm gonna show you where it's going, how it's going, just not the actual process of doing it. The phaser board, can I not? I can't turn this around. Okay. The phaser board is this top board, which I have on everywhere in the house, except for this one spot, because the one we put in there was the wrong one. So it got pulled out. Say hi. So that needs to get replaced. However, I don't have any extra to replace it with. So I'm going out tomorrow to get the materials for the next build, and I'll get that. You're just not going to see it because I want to post this today. Okay? Cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next week, guys.